How to reset Tapo camera. If you've got a wired Tapo camera or a battery Tapo camera, the principles are basically the same. We want to look for the reset port, which is located here on this camera and is located under the flap here on that camera. And what we're going to do, we want to press and hold that reset port with a paper clip until we hear a chime. So let's do that now. So put it in, press and hold, feel the click, press and hold, and it should do a chime once it's done.
Reset successful.
There we go. It says reset successful. And now we're going to do the same on the battery operated one, which isn't currently on. So we're going to press that one now. Press and hold. And then that will turn on. See the blinking light? And it will do a reset for that camera too. Now, a reset for the camera shouldn't actually overwrite any files already on the camera. It should just reset it. This is handy to know if you need to change the Wi-Fi address on the camera or things like that. And then once it's reset, you go through the motions of the app. So let's load the app. You add the new camera because it has been reset. So you plus camera, plus device, add device. We search for the camera, which is a Tapo C110, Tapo C110. And then it says, is it red and green, the light? Yep, red and green, click that. And then it says connect to the Wi-Fi. So we go to our Wi-Fi. We find the new camera in the list, Tapo camera. Connect to this Wi-Fi access point so we can transfer all the settings to and from. So click on that, make sure it connects. There you go, it's connected. Go back to the app and then say, I'm already connected. And then you should see, as if by magic, it finds it and it goes through the motions of saying, which Wi-Fi network would you like? Blah, 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 blah. And you input all the details like that. Click next, wait for it to finish, and then you can connect to the new camera. And that is how you reset a Tapo camera. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.